Now discuss the inner text and inner HTML and the difference. So inner text actually returns all the text contained by the element and its child elements, while the inner HTML returns all the text including HTML tag that is contained by the element. If we see this page, look to this page, we have a couple of elements like paragraph, this heading, list with the anchor tags that contain links to some other pages, two images, and then we have another link here below the image, and this table, and then obviously two inputs with buttons. So let's how the inner content and inner text and inner HTML works. Okay, so by writing the document, whole document is selected. Okay, and then dot query selector. So in previous lecture, it is already discussed in quite detail that whenever we execute the query selector, so it will fetch the first element. Okay, the first element. And for example, if we have 5 paragraphs and we write inside a paragraph, okay, so it will search the first paragraph. Okay, for example, if we have anchor A, so the first paragraph, the first anchor tag, which is inside this paragraph. So what this one is selected, and if we write select all, so rather than one, all the links contained by the document are selected. Now we will write the document dot query select query selector. Okay, and then for example the inner contents of P, so we will write P, so we are not selecting P but inner contents of the P, so we will just write inner, so and text. Now you can see the whole paragraph as such in this document is written here with no HTML tag. For example, if you see this requirement is red and underlined, which shows it is linked to some other page. Like if we open it some other page, so you can see, but here this is just look as a text. Okay, and if we write this query, if we write this statement, and if we write inner HTML, inner HTML, inner HTML, you can see the inner contents. So you know we have four, rather only 5, 1 2 3 4 5 links, but selector has selected only the first one. With inner text, the whole paragraph is displayed, but with inner HTML, the link, a proper link is displayed. Okay, and if we write the inner contents, inner content. Okay, so if we write A dot inner. Sorry, text content. It is the text content, not. So you can see, if if I write paragraph, so you can see here the content of A. So this one is displayed, but it is very short. So I will write P rather than. You can see what is the difference between this paragraph and this. So this is executed using the inner text, and this is by text content. So it actually include all of the details where the line is split. You can see here the dashes, okay, and if you look towards it, so there is a difference. So when we write the inner text, so it remove all of these spaces, etc. Okay, so if we write selector all and we have A, okay, so and we write P, we write image, okay, so nothing happens. This means this one work only with the select, not the select. Okay, so this was all about the inner text, inner HTML. In next video, I'll talk in more detail about the attribute and attribute selection using the query select. Okay, thank you so much for watching.